What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. No, do not let your eyes fool you. This is Whitestone Dome. These are the all-new tech screens that they have for the iPad Pro 11. Let's check them out. So first things first, these are Whitestone Dome screen protectors, tempered glass screen protectors for the iPad Pro 11 2018. Now, the first one we're going to look at, this one is like a privacy screen. You see how dark it is? Privacy screen. It tells you on the front, easy installation, one touch detachable. You get privacy, you get a 60-degree viewing angle, you get 9H hardness, so two-way viewing. But this is basically going to be top of the line screen. Now, you know I have been rocking with Skinomi. I've been using that one for a while now. I'm about to take my Skinomi off and put on a Whitestone Dome and see how I like it. And this one is the clear one. Now with the clear one, it just says easy installation, one touch detachable, and 9H hardness. So that hardness level is great. It's awesome. It's not gonna crack. It's not gonna break. Your screen is very important. It's very expensive. So we don't want that to happen. This is not a privacy screen, so we don't have all those other features. Let's go ahead and get these open just to see what we get in the box. Let's start with the privacy first. Get a piece of paper here, installation guide, has a video, QR code that you can scan. We're gonna hook it up here so you can check this out, or you can either go to their QR code. You get your standard alcohol wipe, your terry cloth, your dust removal sticker. And they actually put the privacy screen in a piece of plastic, and there we go, privacy screen. Now I want you to see, we can see straight through that, right? I'm putting this piece of terry cloth right behind it. You see it? Now you don't. So as you turn your iPad to the side, if people are looking at it from the side, they won't be able to see. And even as it goes a little bit away from the front, it gets invisible. I'm not a big fan of the privacy glass. I just want to show you guys how it actually looks. I like a clear, like an HD screen, and privacy film is just not my thing. But I wanted to show you guys how it actually works. So now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. All right, got that out of the way. So this is the one that we are going to be installing today. This is the clear Whitestone Dome glass for the iPad Pro 11. If I can get it open, it's sealed up really tight. And that's all we get in the box. We do have instructions. Once again, you can go to the QR code. You can just stay here. I'm about to install this. We get our alcohol wipes, our cloth, and our dust removal. We get actual screen right here. As you can see, this is a clear HD screen. That's pretty much it, guys. That's all we get. So I'm gonna clean the iPad off. I have my Skinomi on there. I'm gonna say farewell to it. Saying farewell to my Skinomi. Bye, Skinomi. I'm gonna take it off. Okay, so first things first, alcohol wipe. We'll get that nice and clean. Next thing, I'm gonna take my cloth. Just gonna dry it all off. All right, it's all dry. Next thing I'm gonna do is my dust removal. I'm just gonna take one of these, peel it off, just go over the edges. Dust remover is a little small, so big screen, we need big dust removers, but those are a little small. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this back. So we're gonna peel this, and we're gonna line it up from the top. So once we peel this, instructions say about 1/3 of the way. So that's about it right there. We're gonna line it up. And I'm gonna stand up just to make sure we get it on there the right way. All right. Once you get it lined up, then I'm just gonna take my and just pull and allow it to drop on its own. Okay, so then instructions tell us that we're gonna just draw a cross down the middle. We're gonna do a cross and a cross. And that's gonna kind of get all those little air bubbles out. And then any air bubbles that you have, you're just gonna press all the way out with this cloth. Just gonna come all the way out. So as you're pressing, you're just gonna go all the way out to the edges just to make sure that you get all those little extra air bubbles out. We got that taken care of. Any little wavy patterns in the screen, any issues, they're gonna come out within a couple of days. But that's pretty much it. So we have a brand new screen on the iPad Pro 11. Whitestone dome glass. As of right now, I'm not noticing any lag. The software update 12.2 should have fixed that. I'm just making sure with this new product that we get no lag. I'm going to use my finger. There we go. And then I am going to write something. Average tech guy. Scribble. Okay. Everything looks good on that front. Next thing we're going to try out is some typing. Everything seems to be smooth, nice. Letters are picking up really nice. No lag, no issues. So as I always do with these types of videos, I'm going to do a follow-up in a few days just to let you guys know how the Whitestone dome glass is holding up on this iPad Pro 11. Hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.